Thinking about launching your own online auction empire but wondering if Wix can handle the heat? Today, we're diving deep into whether you can actually build a fully functional auction website using Wix. Step 1. Let's assess Wix's core capabilities. Wix is fantastic for drag-and-drop design and ease of use, but natively, it doesn't have built-in auction features. Step 2 involves exploring the Wix App Market. Search for auction apps. You'll find some that offer bidding functionality, but carefully review their features, pricing, and user reviews. Some popular options include apps that integrate with external auction platforms or provide basic bidding tools. Step 3 is critical. Understand the limitations. Wix might struggle with real-time bidding, complex auction rules, or high transaction volumes. Consider if these limitations impact your specific auction needs. Step 4. Plan your workaround. If a dedicated auction app doesn't fully meet your requirements, explore combining multiple apps. For example, you could use Wix stores for product listings and integrate a separate bidding platform via custom code or an embedded widget. Step 5. Test thoroughly. Before launching, rigorously test the entire bidding process, payment gateway integration, and user experience. Make sure everything flows smoothly and securely. Step 6 involves optimizing for mobile. Ensure your auction website is fully responsive and looks great on all devices. A significant portion of users will be bidding from their phones. So, can you create an auction website on Wix? The answer is a cautious yes. While Wix isn't inherently built for auctions, with careful planning, the right apps, and creative workarounds, it's achievable. Just be realistic about the limitations and focus on delivering a great user experience. Good luck with your auction venture.